Muhammad. The commander of the faithful Imam Ali alayhi salam, peace be upon him, has said, "The ninth from your descendants, O Hussein, is Al-Qaim. Imam Mahdi alayhi salam is with truth, the manifester of religion and the spreader of justice." Jazakumullah khair. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. I'm speaking from Masjid Imam Mahdi and Isa alayhi salam, which is situated in Barcelona, near Chile, Cairo de Exile. Our aim is to spread knowledge and awareness and love and future predictions of Imam Mahdi and Isa alayhi salam. Also, we are running Al-Langar Khana. We are providing 2 times of food to homeless and needy people. Also, everyone is welcome, especially people coming from abroad. They can come to Cairo de Exile, Chile, in Badalona. Jazakumullah khair.